And we are back. Hello everyone, welcome back to 5 Minutes Code channel where I will be explaining the solution of every problem of lead code and geeks for geeks within less than 5 minutes. So without wasting time, let's get started. Today's problem is number of occurrence, which is marked as an easy level problem. Let's find out what we will be given into this problem and what we have to do. So we will be given one array ARR of integer type and we will be given one integer target as well. Let's find the constraints. So constraints of ARR.size is like ARR.size can be anything from 1 to 10 raised to the power 6. Array elements can also be anything from 1 to 10 raised to the power 6, and target can also be from 1 to 10 raised to the power 6. Okay, all right. Let's find out what we have to do. So look, this array ARR which we will be given, it's in sorted order. Okay, it's sorted. It's sorted in ascending order. Okay, all right. And we will are also given one target. So basically we have to find the number of occurrences of target in this ARR. So here you can see 2. So like basically how many times the target is present. So here you can see target 2 is present 4 times, so we have to return 4. Here target is 4, so 4 is present 0 number of times, we have to return 0. Target 12 is present 3 number of times, so we have to return 3. Okay, all right. So yeah, very simple thing is this. Okay, so now you will be thinking like this is very easy problem because we can simply use a for loop and we can simply count the occurrences. But if you will see here, we are given a sorted array. We are given a sorted array. So if we will simply loop on it, it will have big of n time complexity, but we are not taking the advantage of the array which is sorted. Okay, so we have to take advantage of sorted array. Okay, all right. So we can also solve it in log and time complexity, and I think you might be guessing as well, we can use binary search. We can use binary search as well. Okay, all right. So yeah, how we can use binary search? If you know binary search, I think everyone will be knowing binary search. So for what we can do, I will run first once time binary search to find the first occurrence of target. Okay, first occurrence of target, and after that I will again run this binary search to find the last target of occurrence, last occurrence index. Okay, last occurrence of target. So basically if I can find both the occurrences index, I will simply return last occurrence minus first occurrence plus 1. Okay, all right. So yeah, this is pretty much it for we to solve it, and I hope you guys can code it as well. So I request everyone to please pause the video and try to code it by yourself. Okay, all right. I hope many of you will be able to code it, but if not, let me explain you. I'm not going to do a dry run of it because it's pretty basic thing. So binary search, I think everyone knows how it works. Now let's see how we are going to code it. Okay, all right. To code the binary search, first thing is we have to take two variables, low and high. Low will be at 0 and high will be at arr.length minus 1. Okay, and after that there will be two variables more, starting and end, because starting of this target, first occurrence of this target will be stored as starting, it's currently minus 1, and last occurrence of uh, target, it will be stored at end and it's currently minus 1 as well. Okay, all right. After that, what I will do, I will simply run a while loop while low is less than high. I will first of all, what I will do, I will simply first of all find mid. So int mid is equal to low plus high divided by 2. Okay, all right. So now look, if I will write something like if ARR of mid is greater than or equal to target. Okay, something like this. If ARR mid is greater than or equal to target, it means I can initialize my starting as well. So starting will be equal to mid. Okay, this is starting. Okay, and after that, look, I have to find the first occurrence. I have to find the first occurrence. I have to find the first occurrence. So if ARR mid is greater than target or equal to target, it means I have to go to left side. I have to go to left side. So to go to left side, what I will do, I will simply do high is equal to mid minus 1. High is equal to mid minus 1. Okay, all right. Otherwise I have to go to right side. To go to right side, I have to update my low. So low is equal to mid plus 1. Okay, all right. So yeah, that's it. If and after coming out of the while loop, I will have my first index of target. I will have first index of target. So if look, if starting is equal to minus 1, it means target is not present. I will simply return 0, because if target is even not present, so how we can find, like, what, there is no need to find the end because starting is not present. Okay, one more thing, if starting is equal to minus 1 or our target of starting is not equal to, oh sorry, what I'm writing, if ARR of starting is not equal to target, then also I will return 0, because look, now I will explain you again. If ARR mid is greater than or equal to target, what it will happen is, if it is equal, now suppose for this target 4 I will search on this while loop of this array. So first of all, my mid will be something like this two, my mid will be this two. Okay, so I will check if ARR mid is greater than or equal to target. No. Okay, so here else will be doing. But suppose it was written 5 here. It was 5. So what I will do, suppose 1 1 2 5 2 5 5 5. Okay, all the 5 were there. So on mid this, what it will happen is, if ARR mid is greater than equal to target, yes, it will be yes. So I will do starting is equal to mid. But starting is not mid. Starting is still not mid, because like starting is not equal to target. Okay, so that's why I am checking it here. I hope this will be clear. And after that, I will again reinitialize these two things, because I am going to use it again. First time I have used it to get the first occurrence, and now I'm using it to get the last occurrence. Okay, something like this. Again, let's copy this loop, for while loop. Only few parts will be changing. So now I have to find the last index, and to find the last index, what I have to do is, if ARR mid is less than or equal to target. Okay, so now I will be getting my end. So end is equal to mid, and after that, now I have to go to right side. I have to go to right side to like find the last occurrence. I have to go to right side. So low is equal to mid plus 1. Otherwise, we will do something like high is equal to mid minus 1. Okay, all right, coming out of this while loop here, again I will do the same thing, but this time I will do with the end index instead of it starting. So it will be something like end ARR of end, and here I've missed one R. Okay, all right. So after this, if it means both starting index is present and end index is present, both are present. So what I will do, I will simply do end minus starting plus 1. Okay, all right. So why I'm doing plus 1? Because look, suppose there are two occurrences of 1. So starting will be at 0 index, end will be at 1 index. So end minus starting will be 1. But I am including both. Starting and end both are included. So I have to do plus 1. Okay, all right. Let's try to submit this directly, and I hope it will get accepted in first time as well. And I think this explanation is pretty much okay. Oh, sorry, I missed one semicolon here. Let's submit it again. And I think it's a pretty basic code, so I'm not going to explain it and dry run it. Meanwhile, if you are wondering what is this watch tutorial button for, so I have made a very cool extension, Chrome extension, which you should download from pinned comment, and you will surely like it. Okay. All right. So yeah, that's what it for today. I'm going to see you again tomorrow. Till then, keep on coding, and please subscribe.